In today's video, I'm going to teach you Microsoft Access, how to combine multiple tables into one. We'll walk through a clear, reliable process to bring data from several sources into a single master table while keeping your structure consistent and your records clean. Start by opening Microsoft Access and creating a new blank database that will serve as your master. Give it a clear name and save it in a safe location. This keeps your consolidation separate from the originals and makes it easy to back up before big changes. Next, bring your source tables into this master database. Go to the External Data tab on the ribbon. In the Important Link group, click New Data Source, then choose the format that matches where your data lives, another Access file, Excel, text, or CSV, or an ODBC source. The Get External Data wizard will guide you through the rest. Decide whether you want to import, which copies data into your master, or link, which keeps a live connection to the original. Review field names and data types as you go. Matching types now reduces headaches later. With your sources available in the master database, you'll use append queries to combine records into a single destination table. Make sure that destination, your master table, exists with the fields you want. If needed, adjust field names and data types so they line up logically with your sources. Go to the Create tab and choose Query Design. Add the first source table to the query window. On the ribbon, change the query type to append. In the append dialog, select your master table as the destination and confirm. In the design grid, include the fields you want to move and ensure each one maps to the correct destination field. You can rename the destination field in the grid if names differ. When everything aligns, run the query and confirm the number of rows to append. Save this query so you can reuse it for similar sources, then repeat the process for each additional table you want to merge. Before you finalize, handle duplicates and auto number fields properly. Do not append values into an auto number primary key. Let Access generate new IDs. Enforce a primary key or unique index on the master to prevent duplicate records. If Access reports key violations, review the error table it provides, compare field values, and correct mismatches. Tools like the Find Duplicates query can help you spot and resolve repeats. It's a good idea to test on a small subset first and keep a backup so you can roll back if needed. Once all append queries run cleanly, your unified master table is ready to use.